El Nido!
Welcome to El Nido.
Hello beautiful people of YouTube! This is Verna from CurvesIsFashion.com. Today's video is another episode of my vlog series, Traveling with Nanay, traveling with my mom. So my ultimate goal, one of my ultimate mission in life is to take my mom traveling, because that's one of my sense, or one way of thanking her, one way of my gratitude towards her for raising us, for being a good mother, for dedicating her life, 100% of her life to us, raising her 6 children as a single mom. I could not even imagine that. So she never had any chance to do something for herself, and traveling, she worked all her life just to raise us, just to support us, her 6 children. So now it's my chance to show gratitude for all the things that she's done for us, and through traveling, through taking her to places she've never been. And my mom loves traveling. So now, today's video, we are taking my mom to Nido, Palawan, Philippines for the first time in her life. So come on guys, take my mom with me to Nido and see if she loves it. And also, if you have the same thing that you're doing with your mom, taking her traveling anywhere in the world, anywhere in the Philippines, please comment down below and we can talk about that. And I love comments that we have something in common. So come on guys, let's do this. Init ba? Si nanay, oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pwede ba ikutang yung luggage? Okay lang kadara na yan. Nauna ko. Nauna dyan ko. Tara na eh. Mudo sing. Nagbungal ka? Naglahi yata na ako. Sakit. Galing at the van. Guys. Road trip na tanay. 5 hours road trip. So far sa Tanalim sa Puerto Princesa.
Pulong-mulok.
Pulong-mulok lang. Wala pa. You'll see. Naka-business class with si Mana. Ibang pagkain mo. Kami sa economy lang kami.
Kuwari lang.
Naka-sandwich mother. Sa tana lang. Nabusog ka sa mani. So we had a stopover for 30 minutes for bathroom breaks and some snacks.
Dito na kami sa Palawan.
No, not yet. Puerto Princesa pa.
Puerto Princesa.
Room tour! Abot na dyan, B.
Hello!
7 o'clock na abot.
Hi guys! Welcome to Verna's YouTube channel!
Hi guys! Gusto kayo ng mga
Stay to my vlog, Jamie. Hello, El Nido.
Good morning! Naingat po kayo enjoy ko ah!
Ready na ka, Knife?
Malunggar!
We're going for a private tour. Island hopping. So my niece. It's a beautiful day. Nay, langoy ka, Nay? Ha? Magkayaking niya. Oh my gosh, it's raining! Sa kabila, mainit eh. Ikaw, Nay, una, Nay.
Ikaw na, dala ko dulo. Dito?
Isa pa.
Hanapin niyo kung inahan. Isa lang na. Okay na? Turn around. Oh, we're going kayaking. Nay, kumusta, Nay? Munti mong kayaking, Nay. Oh my gosh. There you go, guys. Kaya mo tour. Among ano, tour guide. Nag-drive sa mo, And then si Ini, she's driving on the front. Oh my gosh, here we go. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's okay. I don't like too much heat and hot kasi ma-burn me. So now it's good. It's a little bit drizzling, but it's fine. I look at this. Here, okay. Hello, everyone. Okay. Ang ganda. The most beautiful place on earth. British Columbia and Nido. Dapat loya. Ay, ang ganda. Ayun na, yung mga bulaklak dyan. Itago niya yan. Yeah. Dito yan, pauwi yan. Super beautiful Nido. Taga dito ka. Wala ko yung baon niya Tagalog. Hello, El Nido. Beautiful island. It's so surreal. Look at the water. So green. Crystal green. So peaceful. Si Nanay, IFI. Ako din eh. Look how green the water, guys. So beautiful.
Napanood niyo po yung El Nido rainfall series.
Oh, really? Oh, biglago na ito.
Diving yan.
Bigyan na din.
Picture ko pa yung
Hello. Ha? Affirmation ng gitman. Ah, kaya pala nagtanong ka. Oh, ayan. Where?
Ano, yun mo?
Oh my gosh, yeah. Virgin Mary, yan. Oh, that's the Virgin Mary. That's beautiful. Uy, ang ganda, oh. Can we swim? Sige, sige.
Pa-strip na lang po yung paddle mo dito sa kayak. Baka po
Straight mo daw yung...
Straight daw.
Straight baka sumayad. Straight dito ba? Dito. O, ganyan.
To, this is Big Lagoon, guys. We're going in sa Big Lagoon. Papasok kami, guys, sa Secret Lagoon.
No, it's not secret, ma'am. It's cave.
Ay, hindi siya oh, it's the cave. Oh.
Because I have secret lagoon from now.
Oh, meron Secret Lagoon.
Later, after here.
So we're going to a cave.
Underground rainforest look like the Nido.
Oo nga, nakapunta kami doon. Sa Puerto Princesa yun.
This is small one.
Yeah.
Kaya
Actually, okay lang sa akin na small. What do you think of so far sa sa El Nido? Ha? Sa tanong sa El Nido, Nay?
Ganda. Balik-balikan mo ang El Nido.
Agay! Latani. Oy, kasi narrow gid siya kaayo.
If you're doing the racks, ma'am, keep it in the rack and then post up, post out po. Pag nasa racks na po kayo.
Push lang namin, no?
No, it's post.
Water. So we're out from the cave.
Yes.
We're back to the lagoon.
Now it's the one also.
Karon sa big lagoon. Yeah, look how beautiful it is, you guys. Si Nanay. Musta, Nay?
Hello.
Kung ba na si Nanay yun? Ay, kainit na.
Ito kayo. Balik na balik kainit.
Yeah, I know. That's so disgusting. My mom wants us to eat mangrove. Mangrove worms.
Kanang bata na bago pa lang silang. Kana.
Na El Nido, hello.
El Nido, hello.
Dili nakapuyo, Nay?
Ayoko.
Yung mga apo. Yung mga apo na. Yung mga tanong.
Ako mga tanong. Lao na lang.
Pero gusto na mo puyo daw,
Oh,
Dere.
kagwapo. Gwapo. Oh, tanawan mo. Look at that.
So beautiful. Langoy-langoy si Nanay.
For El Nido.
Yeah. That's nice. Hola! Hi, galing! So, ayan po. We stayed at the big lagoon for half an hour. Took pictures there. We went swimming there. Very beautiful, you guys. This video doesn't do any justice, but it's gorgeous. And the water is just crystal green. And yes, it was like in a different world. Very surreal. So ngayon, pupunta na po kami to the next destination, which is the Secret Lagoon. So we'll see. Hindi na daw siya secret, but secret daw kasi nasa isang secret cave. So we'll see what it is. Pulang kami. Ayan, may buko.
Okay, so
Ikaw na, yun sa manay.
Or waterproof camera po talaga tayo. Then kung wala po, lagay nyo na lang po sa waterproof.
Now, sa Secret Lagoon kami, guys. So, I won't ko anong secret dyan, but we'll see. We'll find out anong pinagkakapilahan nila dyan. Pupunta kami sa Secret Lagoon. Nakapila na kasi dapat makaaga dito. Yun si Nanay nandoon. Yung Secret Lagoon pinagkakapilahan. Dito na kami sa loob ng Secret Lagoon. Nay, sa tanaw ni mo na-discover ng secret?
Oo, na-discover ng secret. Walang McDonald dito.
Ito na po siya yung secret.
Yes.
Yun, wala po sikreto. Kunti lang.
Hello guys! Andito na kami sa Secret Lagoon. Pero hindi na secret kasi public na.
Public siya. I don't know anong secret eh. Kasi secret siya kasi napalibutan siya ng rocks, ng rock mountains, ng limestone formation. So tapos nasa loob siya ng limestone formation. So papasok yun talaga. So yan, kaya secret. Okay, let's go again. Miso Island?
Yes, Simiso Island.
Dito kami magla-lunch sa Simiso.
Simiso is Japanese speak po. Simi is clean, Sumo is water.
Oh,
So
Simi is
clean water po siya.
Ready na kami mag-lunch sa Simiso Island.
Ano siya na coconut water and rum. Inom tag coconut rum, Nay? Inom tag coconut rum. Try ba? Dili siya. So, ang coconut rum dere, literally jud, coconut and rum. This one, guys. Tanduay. Coconut water with tanduay. Wala siya. Essential na siya sa mga... Ano siya, kung coconut rum ako Yeah ha, coconut beer. One sip of coconut and then 1 sip of beer. Lunch break na mi. Lunch ni nanay. Buko lang tawon eh. Si Jeffy ang aming photographer. Chef din.
Chef din.
Welcome only to 20.
Oh, meron pa siyang El Nido. Oh. Ang galing naman ni Jeffy.
El Nido.
Yan po ang photographer naman tsaka cook.
Yes ma'am, start na po kayo.
Sige. Welcome to El Nido. Ano mi diri sa unsa ning siyang island gani? South Meaning Island. For snorkeling. Our last stop today is at Commando, 7 Commando ang tawag nila. So, ito na yung last stop namin. Actually, medyo a little bit rainy. It's not pouring but drizzling. Mas maganda nga kasi hindi siya masyadong mainit. So, yeah. Sana nandun yung nanay ko. Let's go talk to them. Kapoy nanay. So that's it, guys. My mom is tired, so we are going back to the main island. It was a full day tour. Tour A package is great, and please go private. I highly recommend. Anyways, that's it, and thank you so much for being with me, traveling with my nanay. It was a wonderful first El Nido experience for my mom, and I know she will remember forever. So off to our next destination, Hawaiian Island Resort. Please watch for it on my next video. Thank you so much, beautiful people in YouTube, for being with me in this adventure. I hope you enjoy this video and get a good value out of this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to write your comment below and I will answer. Bye and see you in my next video. Daghang salamat.